I'm Britt.
And I'm Sheldon.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, my brother Sheldon is going to tell you about a great listing we have on the west end of the beach on Vestavia. Sheldon, take it away. What do you love about this home?
Okay, so we have a 3-3. It's just steps away from the sand. Literally, you walk down the road and you run right into Beach Access 75. The rooms are really, really spacious, and there's 2 different balconies. The very top one on the 3rd floor has peekaboo Gulf views.
Nice. I noticed you could do the master bedroom on the 1st floor or the 2nd if you wanted to. You have options with the floor plan.
Yes, so that's another plus. And let's not forget, they also have a pool.
Yes, you and those pools. It's really hard to keep him from jumping into the pools when we're out filming the show. So love the West End location over here. Super close to things like the Carousel, short drive to 30A, short drive to the airport, Frank Brown Park, Pier Park.
Let's not forget Thomas's Donuts.
Oh my gosh, Thomas's Donuts. I smelled the sour cream on the way here. It was so gorgeous. This cute little beach house on the west end of the beach is a great value with a pool in that 500 range. If you'd like to see more, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
For more information on this listing, don't forget to click the link below.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one. Ring that bell.